Hello guys, welcome to my networks activity where I use the PCs to connect point-to-point connection, one-to-many connection, many-to-many connection. So initially what I did is I just went here, I set up the IP address, and I connected them with Ethernet cables. Now, we were told that we could use wireless connections, but I figured out that a lot of my classmates already did that, so I opted for the PC and a wired connection so that I would be a bit unique. Now, here's a PDU. The PDU is something that we send. It's like a packet or a ping. And we can see that's already successful in real-time simulation. But let's try looking at it from this perspective. It sends the data, the one-to-one connection, reviews the data, goes back and checks. So that's a one-to-one connection. Now let's try the one-to-many. Now, the one-to-many, the only difference with the many-to-many is that when we have a PDU sent from here to here, it will still distribute to everyone, but it will only validate over here and here. So in this case, it will only distribute to this one. You can see here, processing, processes and sends it there. It doesn't send it to everyone, goes back and checks. This works for all of them. Here, and let's try this one as well. So let's keep that going. Sorry, reset simulation. Here, goes here, and goes there. Ignore that, and then here, you have here, goes back up. So essentially what we're trying to do is make this one communicate with all three, which is already a functioning situation. We can see here that they're all successful. So now let's delete them. And let's try the many-to-many. This one to this PC. So we're checking here, but we're only accessing this PC for now. But we can see that it's distributed amongst all of the computers except for the main computer. And it validates. Let's try other. Let's edit it where this goes to here. This goes, sorry, not that one. This goes to here. Okay, so let's try it. Multiple information are being sent across, being segmented, and they're still distributing to each other. That's the unique key part of this one. But that tends to fail. So what you're supposed to do is you're gonna send the PDU individually, because again, as I said, we can't send multiple packets or broadcasts or multicasts in Cisco Packet Tracer. So with that, that ends my activity of a point-to-point, one-to-many, and many-to-many connection.